Crocheting, a timeless craft for creativity and relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, finding a hobby that offers both relaxation and a sense of accomplishment is a true treasure. Crocheting, an age-old craft, stands out as a perfect choice. With its rich history, versatility, and therapeutic benefits, crocheting is more than just a pastime. It's a journey into the realms of creativity, patience, and skill. This video delves into the world of crocheting, exploring its origins, techniques, and the endless possibilities it offers. The origins of crocheting. Crocheting, often confused with knitting, is a distinct craft with a unique history. Its origins are a bit of a mystery, with evidence pointing to practices in South America, China, and the Middle East. However, it was during the 16th century in Europe that crocheting began to flourish. Initially, it was a luxury for the affluent, but over time, it became popular among the masses. Crochet work, known for its intricate designs, played a significant role in the fashion and decor of the time. Understanding the basics. At its core, crocheting involves creating fabric from yarn or thread using a crochet hook. The hook, which comes in various sizes, is key to the craft. Unlike knitting, crocheting uses a single hook and works one stitch at a time. This fundamental difference offers a distinct texture and flexibility in design. For beginners, understanding basic stitches is crucial. The most common are the chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. Each stitch varies in complexity and creates different textures. The chain stitch, the foundation of all crochet projects, is simple yet versatile. Single crochet, a compact stitch, is great for sturdy fabrics, while double and treble crochets allow for more airy and decorative designs. Materials and tools. The choice of yarn plays a significant role in the outcome of a crochet project. Yarn comes in various materials including wool, cotton, acrylic, and silk, each offering different textures and properties. Wool is warm and durable, cotton is soft and washable, acrylic is affordable and easy to maintain, and silk adds a luxurious touch. Choosing the right hook size is equally important. A larger hook results in looser stitches and a more flexible fabric, while a smaller hook produces tighter, more compact stitches. Beginners often start with medium-sized hooks and yarns to ease into the technique. Patterns and designs. The beauty of crocheting lies in its versatility. Patterns range from simple scarves and hats to complex afghans and intricate lace. Patterns are usually written in a shorthand that might seem daunting at first, but becomes easier with practice. Many resources, including books and online tutorials, are available to help understand and follow these patterns. Therapeutic benefits. Crocheting is more than just a creative outlet. It has significant therapeutic benefits. The repetitive motion and focus required can be meditative, offering a break from the stress of daily life. It enhances fine motor skills, improves concentration, and can even help in managing conditions like arthritis and depression. The social aspect. Crocheting isn't just a solitary activity, it's often a social one. Crochet groups, both online and in communities, offer a space to share tips, patterns, and experiences. These gatherings foster a sense of community and provide an opportunity to learn from others. Sustainable and ethical crafting. In recent years, there has been a growing awareness of the environmental and ethical implications of crafting. Many crocheters are turning to sustainable and ethically sourced materials. This shift not only supports environmentally friendly practices, but also adds an extra layer of meaning to the craft. Conclusion. Crocheting is a timeless craft that offers something for everyone. Whether it's the satisfaction of creating something beautiful, the relaxation it brings, or the joy of connecting with a community, crocheting is a rewarding hobby. Its rich history, versatility in design, and therapeutic benefits make it an enduring and beloved craft. As a beginner or an experienced crocheter, the world of crocheting is full of possibilities, waiting to be explored and cherished.